Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix internet connection problem on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the home section, search, reels, and also your profile section. So basically, guys, right now, if you have this problem, first of all, check your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a good internet connection. And if you are connected to a good internet and you still have this problem, then first of all, go ahead and click on Play Store on or App Store, depending on which phone you have. And then go to the search section, click on the search bar and search for Instagram. After that, go ahead and click on Instagram. And then once you're here in this page, you're going to find two options, uninstall, and right next to it, you're going to find update or open. So basically guys, if you find update, this means that your application is not up to date and you need to update it to the latest version in order for it to work fine. If you find open, this means that Instagram is already up to date. So if you find the updates button available, make sure you update your application. And then once you update it, go back to Instagram and check if you still have this problem. This should be enough to fix your problem. If you still have this problem, you can also try to clear your cache and go back to Instagram and it should be working fine. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.